We shall find now the oxidation number of the following compounds. We will find the sulfur's oxidation in following compounds. Right? So in H2S, we know hydrogen when it is bonded to a non-metal, it will have a +1 oxidation number. So sulfur, let it be X. So two hydrogen each has a +1 charge. Sulfur has X and the sum will be equal to 0. So the charge on sulfur is -2 in H2S. In SO2 similarly, SOO is more electronegative. It has a -2 state. Sulfur, let it be X. One oxygen with -2, so two oxygen with 2 of -2 and total is 0. So the charge on sulfur in SO2 is +4. Similarly in SO3, sulfur has +3 state. Sulfur has X and 3 oxygen with -2 state. So you get the oxidation number as +6. In zinc sulfate, zinc is metal with +2 state. Sulfur we don't know, 4 oxygen with -2 and the sum is equal to 0. So -8 and 2 it becomes minus of 6, so X is equal to +6 in zinc sulfate. Similarly in copper sulfate, copper +2, sulfur we don't know, 4 oxygen with -2 and overall charge 0. So sulfur is again in +6 state. So when you have sulfate, it is in +6 state. So this is how we find the oxidation state or oxidation number of the sulfur in following compounds. Now next example we shall find the oxidation state of carbon in the following. What is the oxidation state of carbon in the following compounds? Okay, this is second question. Let this be calcium carbonate, carbon dioxide, then you have methane, acetic acid, carbon. Now we shall find the oxidation number of carbon in the following. Now here carbon, calcium carbonate, calcium alkaline earth metal always with +2 state. Then you have carbon, we don't know, let that be X, 3 oxygen with -2, so the overall charge is 0. So X -6 plus, so it is equal to 4, so the carbon is in +4 state. Carbon dioxide, carbon X, 2 oxygen with -2 state and the sum is equal to 0. So X minus 4 is 0 or X is equal to 4. Again in carbon dioxide, carbon is in +4 state. In methane, non-metal hai or hydrogen metal hai, so carbon X, 4 hydrogen with -1 and you have this as +4. So carbon in carbon dioxide is in +4 oxidation. In methane it is in +4 oxidation state. In acetic acid, 2 carbon you have, let that be 2X, 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Sum is equal to 0, so 2X plus 4 minus 4, so X is equal to 0. So carbon has 0 oxidation state. In dichloromethane, carbon don't know, 2 hydrogen and 2 chlorine. Sum equal to 0, so X is again 0. So we can find the oxidation state of carbon in the following compounds in this particular manner. Now we shall find the oxidation state of chlorine in the following compound. Chlorine in the following compound. Let that be ClO minus, HCl, HClO, ClO4 minus and ClO2. So ClO, chlorine we don't know, 1 oxygen with -2, overall -1. So X is equal to 1. It is in +1 state. In HCl, H1, X 0. So X is equal to -1. In HClO, H1, Cl we don't know, 1 oxygen with -2 state and 0. So X is equal to 1. ClO4 with a negative charge overall, ClX, 4 oxygen atom each with -2 and the sum is equal to -1. So X is equal to +7. ClO2 x plus 2 of minus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 4. Chlorine is in plus 4 oxidation state. So this is how we find the oxidation state of different substances, right? Now few miscellaneous question we shall do. We shall find the oxidation state of the underlined atom. Phosphorus यहाँ पे KMnO4 में Mn, K2Cr2O7 में Cr, पोटेशियम क्रोमेट में क्रोमियम, potassium manganate में manganese. We shall find the oxidation state of the following. Now how to find? 3 hydrogen, 2 phosphorus, don't know, 7 oxygen, and the sum is -1. So what will we get? -14. It's H4P2O7. So it would be -14 and 4, 10. So 2x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 5. KMnO4, K with +1, Mn don't know, 4 oxygen with -2. So x is in +7 oxidation state. K2Cr2O7, 2 potassium with +1 charge. So 2 potassium, 2 into 1, 2. 2 chromium, so 2x, 7 oxygen, so 7 into minus of 2, 0. So x is equal to plus of 6. This is how we get the oxidation state. Next is in K2Cr4, that is 2 potassium, chromium we don't know, x, and 4 oxygen with -2 state. So x is equal to plus of 6. Next is K2MnO4, that is potassium manganate. So 2 plus x plus 4 of -2, that is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. So again it is in +6 oxidation state. So this is how we find the oxidation number. Now few exceptions in this particular category that we'll see is few examples which have exceptional oxidation number. For example, the oxidation number of chromium in CrO5, carbon in C3 carbon suboxide, ट्राइब्रोमो ऑक्टाऑक्साइड में ब्रोमीन का, Na2S4O6 में सल्फर का. So we shall find the oxidation state. Now by normal method you will get a chromium's oxidation number as 10, but that's not possible. And the correct is from the structure. तो हर बार हम जिस तरह से निकालते हैं उस तरह से ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर सही नहीं निकल रहा, क्योंकि क्रोमियम के पास 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन है ही नहीं कि वो +10 स्टोर करे. एंड here you have a peroxide linkage. 4 oxygen have -1 charge and 2 oxygen have -2. So the total positive charge on chromium is plus of 6, not +10. So chromium has +10. Carbon suboxide में the structure of carbon suboxide is like this, that all the 3 carbon are not alike. The center carbon is bonded to 2 carbon, तो यहाँ पे कोई भी चार्ज डेवलप नहीं होगा. But this carbon is giving 2 electrons, so this will have +2. Same is with this carbon and oxygen. So 3 carbon, 2 carbon have +2 charge and 1 have 0 oxidation number. Br3O8, you have Br, Br, Br. The corner ones form 3 oxygen atom double bond O, and with 2 oxygen atom double bond, the center. So the center bromine atom, when it is linked with 2 other bromine, it has only the charge +4 due to the 2 oxygen with -2. Here it is -2, -2, -2. It has a +6 charge. Here also +6. Each oxygen with -2. तो कॉम्पेंसेट करने के लिए टोटल नेगेटिव टोटल पॉजिटिव इक्वल है. ये -6, ये +6, ये -4, ये +4, ये +6 और ये -6. ओवरऑल इज 0. Now Na2S4O6. How will you get S O Na O Na double bond O. This is -2 +1 -2 -2 0 0 +5 +5 -2 -2 -2 +1. So here out of 4, these sulfur are linked only with sulfur, so 0 oxidation state. बट दिस सल्फर फॉर्म डबल बॉन्ड में 2 ऑक्सीजन, तो -2 तो +2, तो और इस ऑक्सीजन ने एक माइनस इसके साथ कैंसिल कर लिया तो इसके पास +5 चार्ज आएगा. So these are the exceptions and few examples to find the oxidation number. Fractional values are not possible. If it is so we need to consider the structure, or you need to know the mixture of composition from which it is being made. This is how we form the oxidation number.